Still caught up in 2021. Thank you so much for showing up this morning. We're hosting a tea session today, but with a bit of a difference. I think a beautiful difference. We've got amazing friends from the business partners, the Suguma Fund who are out here with us today, and I think we're talking about something that really resonates with the needs of a lot of entrepreneurs. I think with a big aim that when you walk out of here, you would at least know how to sort of manage the compliance of your business, sort of also get an understanding to say, every time you're sort of getting a decline with no explanation, what are some of the DFIs or funders actually looking for? And then also unpacking what some of the programs, the technical finance, the finance that's available, what it looks like, and what it sort of would look like for you to sort of access some of that funding. So thank you yet again for joining us. And I think just by way of opening, restrooms are on my right. So if you're looking for the restrooms, they're on the right. Bathrooms are on the left and the right. If you want to grab a smoke, please do it on the outside. Sorry, on the outer area. There's Wi-Fi in the room, so if you want to access the Wi-Fi, we'll actually distribute the code, or you can ask the gents at the back wearing the black if you want to access the Wi-Fi. But thank you so much for coming out here today. And I think just to give some quick background, we started running tea about 8 years ago, so this is its 8th year. And I think for the purpose of this particular conversation, we run workshops in townships to upskill township entrepreneurs, to create a conducive environment for them to meet each other, to network, to open up, for them to learn new skills and open up whatever opportunities may be available in that immediate community. But most importantly, to also then foster the power of collaboration, because most of the time when we think about doing big business, when we think about great opportunities, we never think of great opportunities in the midst of wherever it is that we're doing business. But you might find that if you're able to collaborate, then there's someone who's in here who maybe runs an events company. There's someone who's in here who runs an ice manufacturing company. There's someone who's in here who's able to provide and manufactures furniture and deco. So being able to collaborate and to find some breaking ground, but value-added collaboration then positions you in the sort of right market, so that instead of us taking bite-sized pieces at a great opportunity, we could collaboratively take bigger chunks and spread the money across, but also, yet again, only if there's equal and mutual value. So over the past 8 years, we've been able to directly impact over 55,000 township entrepreneurs nationally with these workshops. So I guess this is the first one this year in Tembisa and during the week, as we'd normally host them on Saturdays. But I appreciate you guys taking time out of your busy business day. But I think true to tea culture, we would like to open up the opportunity for just 3 entrepreneurs, who'd like to just come up and say, listen, there's a couple of people in the room, and the money people are that side in the room. You can already see. When you see blazers in the township, you must know there's money. So the money is that side. So you're not just pitching for me and I'm going to give you a beautiful smile and wave and applause. Now they're pitching you. They might say, we like him. Here's 100,000. I don't know. No, I'm kidding. I don't want to put them on the spot like that. But I guess this is the part of the program. I always believe success favors the brave. And I think this is at the cost of being an entrepreneur, because at every given moment, you might meet the client that you're looking for, the client you've always been wanting to talk to, the client you've been wanting to poach or been reading about or looking up in Facebook, and you're stuck in an elevator with them, and that's your 60 seconds. What do you say to them? That sort of captures them, so that when the doors open up, maybe they might say, here's my business card, send me an email, so that we talk a little bit further. Maybe you can send me your presentation slides or your pitch deck, and let's talk a little bit further. So just 3. Any takers? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Just one more. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, please come to the front. Let's give them a round of applause, man. Thank you. So 60 seconds each. I'll count you down. Maybe let's do this. Let me just, for this, I'll move it down this way just a bit. Perfect. So you can come in there. So just 60 seconds. I'll give you a chance. Again, and then I think how we're gonna facilitate this is because the crowd, the individuals who are in the room would be the consumers, you will then vote for whoever you think is the best pitch. You get, or whoever resonates the most with you. So 60 seconds, tell us who you are, what it is you do, and yeah. Okay, maybe let's do this. Before he goes on, maybe let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, okay? Just do it together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, Tebogo Moloi here, founder and CEO of Vampire Property Investments, which is the real estate company that specializes in buying and selling properties in the township markets of the city of Ekurhuleni. Currently, we are working on a project of sourcing property investors who can assist us to purchase properties for rental purposes. Our main challenge is that the bank institutions don't want to fund us because we are startup entrepreneurs and don't have track records of income. So we're looking for funding to help us buy properties, and in terms of that funding, we are able to take it as a loan because we're using the property as surety. So if you're using your funding to buy a property, you've got surety that even if the property doesn't have money, but you still own equity in that property. Looking at the inflation, if you invest with us, you're also gonna get great returns, looking at plus minus 15% return on investment if you invest with us to buy those properties. We're also willing to give you shares in the company as returns, in terms of that you own shares within our company and you're gonna get great returns. Thank you very much.
Okay, let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi everyone, my name is Constance Kubega, CEO and founder of Fit Muntuza. We are doing outdoor fitness activities as hiking, camping. So yeah, Hana stress, we here to relieve it for you, get some fresh air. We also have a clothing brand where we do hoodies, t-shirts, which goes together with the hiking group. So what we need funding for more stock so that we can be able to open our own shop and be able to have stock on hand when people want to buy. You can catch us on Facebook, it's Fit Muntuza. On Instagram, it's fit_Muntuza. Thank you.
Don't leave, because they must.
Okay, here's your juice. Thank you. Okay, cool.
Find the competition.
Smart, right? Good morning, everyone. My name is Khauhelo, and I'm the founder and CEO of a brand called, as you already see, Mbawula Dairy. It's a company established in 2020, and we hail all the way from Katlehong. We've been in business in 2020, and what we produce is dairy products, your yogurts, and of course, your dairy plants with the plans of producing other cordinals, meaning your other concentrated juices. We're currently in a rollout in spaza shops in the informal sectors. You can find us in the informal spaza shops, and we plan obviously to go into the formal trading spaces. A bit of challenges there, obviously, regarding the certification in health and safety. So that's our biggest challenge at this point. But you can find us more on our website, and that's www.mogat.co.za, or you can always find us on our social medias, and that is on Instagram, Mogat_lifestyle, and Facebook, Mogat_lifestyle. Funding, yes, absolutely, we need funding for us to grow. It's hard out here, but yeah, so if anything you need to know, we also have samples for you to taste there. It's Mogat, more taste, more flavor, more quality, and that's how we do it.
So let's give them all a round of applause. If I can just get, could you please just turn around, maybe close your eyes. So, I don't know, by show of hands, you'll sort of vote in the room for the pitch or presentation you liked, right? No, just raise your hands. How many are happy? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Yeah, so this is our winner. So we can turn around. So this is our winner. So thank you so much. We'll give you a gift from the T team. Shout out. Thank you so much, man. So, yeah, so I think we always do that as an icebreaker because as an entrepreneur,